This is how I created a holographic AI-powered animated 3D character.
Hello, I'm your custom Liteform.
I used the free Liteforms app from the Looking Glass Factory website. They are makers of holographic displays and conversational holograms.
Hello, I'm your custom Liteform.
I will use my Looking Glass portrait to display my Liteforms character. But you don't need a device to see and chat with your own character on the main screen.
Keep exploring and enjoy your adventures.
When we first run the app, we can talk to the 3 predefined cartoon characters. Uncle Rabbit,
I'm Uncle Rabbit, the snappiest and zaniest holographic character around.
Little
I'm like
Inu,
the perfect blend of spicy, dreamy, and harmonious.
Android Andy.
So, what brings you around these parts?
Each one possesses a distinct personality and a unique charm that sets them apart. Plus, create Liteform. This is a new option in version 1.4.3, which will allow us to define our own unique AI character.
Hey there,
Tell me about yourself.
I'm Drake, your friendly neighborhood barista with a passion for coffee and a flair for storytelling.
Hey there! I'm Drake, the caffeine wizard behind the counter. I'm a coffee aficionado with a knack for latte art. When I'm not crafting Java magic, I'm out exploring the beautiful streets of San Francisco. So, what can I whip up for you today?
Here, we provide the details. Name, Drake. Pronouns, they, them. Description, a young barista who works in downtown San Francisco. They love to talk about coffee. They love to tell stories from the rich history of the city. Where can I get a good coffee around here?
Head on over to Phil's Coffee. They've been doing their thing since '03, crafting personalized brews that make your taste buds sing. Trust me, it's Java heaven.
I can add specific commands. For example, they respond with 45 words or less. The description can include up to 500 characters, which I can write myself or I can use Refine with AI. This function will rewrite my description with more details. Select voice. There is a large selection of voices with US and Great Britain accents. I hope that more voices and languages are coming soon. Select between the 2 models and create. Now your Liteform is ready for conversation. I start by pressing chat. We have a limit of 30 minutes of conversation, so make every word count.
Well, I'm Drake, your friendly neighborhood coffee-loving barista in SF. Trust me, the city by the bay knows how to brew up a mean cup of joe. Cheers.
Take care and savor the day. Until we meet again, may your coffee be strong and your adventures be brimming with delight. Enjoy your journey. Cheers!